Welcome to the tutorial on using the Validate Account feature of the Soundcloud Manager software. To access this feature, you need to click the Accounts tab indicated by the menu icon at the top here underneath my mouse. Okay, so as you can see, I have all my accounts loaded in the view here, and I'm going to check whether the top few accounts are still valid. There are two ways to check whether accounts are valid. We can do a login check, where each account will use the login details to log into SoundCloud, and if the login is successful, then the account is validated. The other way to check, and the quicker way, is to do a profile check. What will happen here is the program will use the profile URL as indicated underneath the profile page. Let's bring that down, and it will use the URL here. This account is still valid. If it was an invalid account, we would get a message such as this, probably an oops message. Yep, this is what would happen if it is a deactivated banned account. So let's go back to the software. So I've selected 6 accounts, and we're going to do a quick profile check. You can multi-thread this, so I'll set that to 4, and then click Validate Accounts. Here is the confirmation. Go into the process screen, run the processor, and here is the log. 6 accounts validated out of 6. This means that for each account, the user profile page was found and validated. The other kind of check, the login check, you will select your accounts. As the login account does require you to send your user details to SoundCloud, it's a good idea, unless you are using proxies, to set the number of threads to low. When you are logging in multiple times from your home IP, you don't want to be using multiple accounts at the same time. Okay, so we've set the login check. Now let's click Validate Accounts. There's the confirmation. This method is a bit slower, as each account does need to post the data to SoundCloud, pull in the page, and then verify. So as you can see, a few accounts are validated. We're now on to Franklin. There we go, 5 accounts validated out of 5. All the accounts I checked are still valid. I'll go back to the validated account screen, and on the control here, we can expand this out a bit. So we can see the last successful login time for these accounts. The ones that I just now logged in is here. If it failed to log in the account, you'll see a little check mark here, and if we failed a profile check, you'd see a little check here. And that's all there is to it.